You might be grinding your teeth at night without realizing it. Teeth grinding, or bruxism, can damage your teeth and cause serious discomfort over time. A custom night guard from Love It Dental protects your teeth, reduces jaw tension, and helps you sleep more comfortably. It's simple, comfortable, and made just for you. Schedule your night guard consultation at Love It Dental today.